So we've got a 2018 F-150 and we had a rabbit jump up right in front of our truck and it busted this little bumper pad off. So that one's what it should look like, and that's what it does look like. So you can see the old parts are kind of still in there, so we got to tear those out. And then we did order a new one. It's right here. Seems like the dog wants to be involved in this project. Alright, so this is what the back of it looks like. It's just a bunch of push pins, I guess, that hold it on, clips. So it'll just press right in. But the main thing is getting the old parts cleaned out of there, the old pieces from the old one. They're just little pieces of tin, so if you just grab them with the pliers, they come right out of there. So take the last piece off and then we'll slap the new one on. This one's gonna be a little get her, I think. There we go. Set the new one on. So this yellow pin goes in this hole right here, and make sure you get, that's the only, it'll only go on one way. So just push her right in. There she is. Simple as that. Just like new until we hit something else, I guess. So this is the we ordered, it's actually an OEM part, so Ford part. It was $29.18.